friends, hope you all are doing well. This is me, Ratna Tiwari, welcomes you in Guru Gyanam. It's all about home science, and today's topic is consumer education and protection. This is part 1 of this chapter. Who is consumer? A person who purchases goods and services for personal use to satisfy their needs. All of us purchase a variety of goods and services to satisfy our needs and desires. Hence, every human is a natural consumer as we consume all the natural things around us, like we consume sunlight, we consume air, water and all. So, we all are natural consumers. Now, what are the significance and importance of consumer education and protection? Industrialization and globalization have transformed the face of Indian economy and improved the purchasing power and standard of living of people in urban as well as rural areas. With the rise in manufacture and sales of products, there are a number of goods and services available in the global market, which makes it very difficult to choose what is right for you, which is a good product, which is a perfect product for you. So, consumer education has a major significance in protecting the interest of the consumer in many ways, like it helps in making right choice and judicious purchases with safety, provides full information of marketing conditions. It provides knowledge about various standards and standardization and their marking, familiarize consumers about government acts. It helps the consumer in getting maximum satisfaction by proper utilization of his money. When you purchase any product and आप satisfy हो जा रहे हो उसको ले खरीद कर उसको यूज करके, that is the best thing कि you are satisfied. अगर unsatisfied हो so आपका money waste हो रहा है. Clear? It also leads a better standard of living. So what are the impact of consumer education? It is a right that protects consumer from large companies that sells products and services. It makes manufacturer responsible for supplying goods and quality products. Manufacturer paying greater attention to consumer opinion, trust and satisfaction. A variety of imported products and good quality products with competitive pricing are also available. This is a very impressive impact of consumer education. To achieve maximum satisfaction, protection against exploitation, control over consumption of harmful goods, and consumer education and protection are important to make the consumer careful, alert, and well informed. So, consumer needs to adopt a wise, active, and global outlook and be progressive and responsible for their own welfare. Now, some basic concept related to consumer education and protection. Consumer, we can say the final buyer of goods and services for the satisfaction of their personal needs and wants, ranging from products of nature to products and or services from the market. Consumers are the primary component of socio-economic system, since every human being who is a consumer to a smaller to larger extent would like to have a good standard of living. Hence, as purchasing power increases, people tend to purchase products that will give comfort, satisfaction and as a symbol of prestige, contributing to increase the number of consumer footfall. The major people buy, more money comes into the market system and thus contribute to the development and growth of the country economy. So, consumer product The term means any article produced or distributed for sales to a consumer for personal or family use in one's home or in an institution, for example, school, hospital, college, office, etc., or for any business purpose. Next one is consumer behavior. It is a process through which the buyer makes decision about purchasing. Next one is consumer forum, a place or organization where consumers can discuss consumers' products, services and their advantage and disadvantage. Some forum works as advocacy group that seeks to protect consumer and help them address problems faced with consumers' product. And consumer footfall. This means the number of consumer or customers who visit any given space such as a store or a mall. Thus, with increasing consumption in the country, consumer footfall are higher nowadays. Now, being a consumer, when you go to buy any product or services, what do you expect? Just take a look. The consumer expectation while purchasing goods and services. Reasonable price. You always want to purchase products at reasonable price. You want appropriate information regarding your product. Ethics in sales and promotion. कोई misguiding ना हो, mislead ना किया जाए आपको. Genuine good and services provide हो आपको. Quality and purity of the product should be good and maintained, and correct weight and measures. These all are the expectation of consumer while purchasing goods from the market. But when you go to the market, you faced many problems. So what problem a consumer faced? Just take a look. Problem faced by consumers. Consumer face several problems because the manufacturer or service provider may fail to fulfill all expectation or may cheat, and many consumers do not take action against them for poor quality products, high prices, adulteration, faulty weights and measures, as they are unaware of the protection measures. So consumers should be aware of these problems and have the knowledge to protect themselves from being cheated. The level of consumer awareness and protection is an indicator of a country development and progress. So the common problem faced by consumer is substandard and poor quality goods. Various manufacturers can make the same product, such as large multinational corporations, local Indian manufacturer, and some may be imported from other countries. However, the material used may be different and the product quality may also vary, making it difficult for a consumer to identify a poor quality product. Many consumers are ignorant about the quality standard because बहुत सारे imitations फैब्रिक्स बन रहे हैं, या अगर आप प्रोडक्ट्स की भी बात करो, समटाइम यू गो टू द मार्केट, लोकल मार्केट लाइक डेली मार्केट जो वीकली मार्केट लगती है, वेडनेसडे मार्केट, थर्सडे मार्केट, देयर यू गॉट सम प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक सपोज यू वांट टू परचेज एंड लॉरियल शैम्पू, और वहाँ पे वो आपको बहुत कम रेट में अवेलेबल होगा, तो यू आर नॉट नो दैट प्रोडक्ट इज़ अ डुप्लीकेट प्रोडक्ट और ओरिजिनल, क्योंकि मे बी क्वालिटी रेट कम है, क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होगी. क्लियर? सो दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सब स्टैंडर्ड और पुअर क्वालिटी गुड्स, जो हम कई बार मार्केट से लेके आते हैं, प्रोडक्ट हमारा एक्चुअल जैसा हमें क्वालिटी चाहिए वो क्वालिटी नहीं होता है. अनदर प्रॉब्लम इज एडल्टरेशन. Adulteration may be intentional or unintentional sometimes. A substance is said to be adulterated when some substance are either added or to removed from a product. Consequently, the composition, nature, or quality is altered of that product. So adulteration is a serious problem not only because it is exploitative but because it can cause harm to health and safety of the consumer. For example, papaya seed is added in ब्लैक पेपर, काली मिर्च में ऐड किया जाता है, रेड ईंट का पाउडर लाल मिर्च पाउडर में ऐड किया जाता है. तो दीज आर द एडल्ट्रेशन विच मे बी हार्मफुल. क्लियर. मिल्क, in milk water is added, sometimes some food powder or chemical is added. Clear. So this will be harmful for the consumer. Now next problem that is faced by a consumer, that is high price or variation in price. Every consumer expects that she or he will be charged a fair price for the product. However, we must bear in mind that prices are influenced by government policies, availability, quality, delivery system, market location, method of distribution, cost of promotion, methods of purchase, and consumers' desire for convenience. Next one is lack of consumer information. Most consumers are unaware of their rights and responsibilities and do not know the various legislative provisions that have been made to protect them. और इस रीज़न से वो कोई भी प्रोडक्ट परचेज कर लेते हैं बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव information regarding that product. Clear. Like most consumers are unaware of their rights and responsibility, so do not know the various legislative provisions. This is the main reason. Next one is incorrect weights and measures. The consumer sometimes end up getting less quantity than what he pays for due to incorrect weight and measures. This is because either the weight and scales are altered by retailers or correct measures are incorrectly used. Measures are often deceptive and exploit consumers of their money. Weights and measures without seal or verification stamp are not genuine. So the basic problem of incorrect weight, that is spurious weight, stones, bricks etc. are used instead of standard weight. आपने देखा होगा सब्जी वाला आपका कई बार stones यूज़ करता है और आप श्योर नहीं होते हो that is of 1 kg or half kg or how much weight of that stone. Then the weights used may have hollow space or may be dented. As a result, they weigh less than the actual weight. Then weighing of goods, especially sweets, along with box packing. आप मना भी करते हो तो वो आपको बॉक्स के साथ ही देते हैं. And standardized weights, weighing scale and measuring cups bearing the stamp by the weights and measures department not being used. Measures with false bottoms, raised base और डेंट्स आर यूज टू मेज़र लिक्विड लाइक मिल्क एंड ऑयल. जब भी आप देखते होंगे वो थोड़ा सा जिसको हम कहते हैं कि वो बॉटम से टेढ़ा मेढ़ा होगा कहीं से भी, और तो उसकी वजह से कम क्वांटिटी में आपको वो प्रोडक्ट मिल पाता है. यूज़ ऑफ मैग्नेट अंडर द पैन ऑफ द स्केल और आयरन rings on the one side of the balance to make it heavier, and use of faulty measuring tape or meter rod for measuring fabric less than actual. कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि जहाँ से आप क्लोथ्स परचेज करते हो वो अपने टेबल पे ही मार्किंग बना के रखते हो. यू आर नॉट श्योर दैट विल बी 1 मीटर और नॉट. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज spurious or duplicate or imitation products. Consumer are confused and cheated by substandard products. Duplicate products of well-known brands, some having similar packaging, color scheme and similar sounding brand's name. Often such imitations are of poor quality and may be injurious and unsafe to use. A very simple example, that you are going to purchase kurkure and you buy kurmure, और कई बार आप स्पेलिंग ध्यान नहीं देते हो, दैट सेम ही नज़र आता है कुरकारे, तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा दैट इज़ कुरकुरे और कुरकारे. Then poor after sales services. Consumer in this word after sales services is very poor. Even the multinational corporations in this word do not provide effective after sales services in the case of office equipment and consumer durables. Consumer have to give constant reminders for after sale services. At many times customers have to get the equipment repaired and or serviced by third party even during the service contract period due to poor after sales services. Clear? Next one is sales promotion schemes to entice the consumer. Indian markets is flooded with a plethora of products. Companies, national as well as multinational, are competing with one another to capture larger market share. To do so, they come out with several sales promotion schemes like exchange offers, bonus, lucky draws, etc. Such means of sales promotion are not always genuine and deceive the consumer. Consumers tend to get swayed by these enticing sales promotion and fall prey to them. Clear? Next one is inadequate or erroneous information given by the manufacturer. This includes label of the most products are not factually correct. Some are deceptive and misleading. Most labels fail to give complete essential information and often use terminologies which a common consumer is unable to understand. Next one is packaging is being used as a potent marketing tool. Attractive packaging persuade consumers to make impulsive purchase. बहुत खुश हो जाते हो, फटाफट प्रोडक्ट्स को खरीदते हो. At time, the container used for packing products is larger than the content. Many a times, several layers of expensive packing material is used. Manufacturer repackage existing products into attractive looking and novel shapes of packs and advertise the product to be a new pack. This is in a new pack. Although the product quality is the same, but you are attracted by the new pack and you go to purchase. कई बार बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में आप परचेज कर लेते हो. However, the consumer is enticed by the new packing. Next one is there is a lack of buying guides on consumer durable and non-durables to aid the consumer in decision making. Next one is advertisements are not informative and the limited in their ability to answer many essential questions about qualities or uses of the product. Seldom advertisements do focus on features, care and maintenance after sales and service. So these are the problems faced by the consumer while go to purchase the market. Now, how do consumer education and protection help the consumer? Consumer education and protection are tools which empower and equip consumer to protect themselves from various adverse market forces that create awareness and educate consumers about their rights, responsibilities and protection mechanisms. They help the consumer to understand legislation and policy matters which would directly have a bearing on their rights and choices as consumer. Next one is Consumer Protection Act. The Consumer Protection Act introduced in the Lok Sabha on 5th December 1986 to provide better protection in interest of the consumer. So it enacted as a result of widespread consumer protection movement in the form of social welfare legislation. The Consumer Protection Act 1986, that is also called COPRA 1986, was enacted to provide simpler and quicker access to redressal of consumer grievances. The act for the first time introduced the concept of consumer and conferred express additional right to him. What are the salient features of Consumer Protection Act? That it is applicable to all types of goods and services unless specifically exempted by the central government. The ambit of the Act covers all the sectors like public, private and corporative societies, etc. It is a compulsory in nature. The forum are empowered to award even punitive damage. The amount of damage awarded can be recovered like the arrears of the land revenue, and a 3-tier system of redressal forum have been created like district forum, state commission and national commission. So this is all about part 1. There is a review question for you. Just write down, discuss in brief the basic concept of consumer education and protection. What are the different problems faced by the consumer? This is question 2. And explain in brief, that is consumer and COPRA. I hope you understand its part 1 and you must watch its part 2. I will be share soon. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press bell button for further information. Thank you for watching Guru Gyanam. It's all about home science.